Ever wondered how to manage your YouTube channel with ease? Juggling video optimization, keeping tabs on ever-changing analytics, and maintaining a healthy comment section can feel like a Herculean task. This is where TubeBuddy comes in. TubeBuddy, a browser extension and mobile app, is a YouTube channel manager's best friend. This ingenious tool seamlessly integrates with YouTube, simplifying and enhancing your channel management process. It's like having a personal assistant for your YouTube channel. Let's dive into what makes TubeBuddy a game changer. TubeBuddy is packed with features to streamline your YouTube channel management. First off, let's talk about the video SEO tools. With TubeBuddy, you can optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags to improve search ranking. It even provides keyword suggestions to make sure your content gets the visibility it deserves. Next, we have the bulk processing tools. Imagine being able to update video cards, end screens, or descriptions across multiple videos in just a few clicks. That's the power of TubeBuddy's bulk processing tools. Let's not forget about social media integration. TubeBuddy lets you share your videos across various platforms, making it easier to reach a wider audience and grow your channel. Finally, we have data and research tools. TubeBuddy provides comprehensive analytics to help you understand your channel's performance and make informed decisions to improve it. With TubeBuddy, managing a YouTube channel just got a whole lot easier. So, ready to take your YouTube channel to the next level? TubeBuddy is here to make that leap easier than ever. It's not just about managing your channel, it's about thriving in the YouTube space. With TubeBuddy, you'll unlock a world of features designed to streamline your workflow, boost your reach, and ultimately enhance your channel's performance. So why wait? Embrace the potential that TubeBuddy offers. Don't just take our word for it. Try TubeBuddy today and see the difference it makes.